Presenting the Buick 2016 Cascada Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, driver confidence package, preferred equipment Group 1 SP, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, DVD audio and premium audio system, IntelliLink. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.